Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will be exploring Amazon in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any essential updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.33. Now, let us examine the stock's performance throughout this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.56%. This results in an average return of 0.4% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 219.31 cents would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 13.91% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 3.07% to 15.60%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 11.01%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 12.04% to 29.02% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 190.07 cents and 278.82 cents. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock price up 1.89% on Monday. The Amazon stock price gained 1.89% on the last trading day, which was Monday, 16th of June, 2025, rising from $212.10 to $216.10. During that day, the stock fluctuated 2.56%. With a low of $211.61 and a high of $217.02. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.57% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. Overall, 33 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $7.13 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, and the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 10.89%, or $26.42 below the 52-week high, and 83.44%, or $1,089.10 below the all-time high on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon has recently garnered attention from industry insiders, particularly regarding its potential in the healthcare sector. Jeremy Cotter, co-founder of All Trails, highlighted Amazon's ability to innovate and dominate markets, signaling long-term growth prospects. This positive sentiment can boost investor confidence and potentially elevate Amazon's stock price. In contrast, Project Kuiper's second satellite launch faced delays due to an issue with the rocket booster. While not immediately detrimental, such setbacks could reflect logistical challenges that may influence investor perceptions in the short term, emphasizing the importance of execution in fulfilling ambitious projects. The recent partnership between Amazon and Roku is also noteworthy. Analysis suggests that revenue from this collaboration will ramp up gradually, as Roku shares surged nearly 10% on news of the advertising deal. This partnership could ultimately enhance Amazon's digital advertising revenue, contributing positively to its financial outlook over time. Despite uncertainties around Amazon's potential for dividends, its capability to generate substantial cash flow is frequently acknowledged. While no immediate dividend announcement is expected, any future decision could significantly impact the stock's attractiveness for income-focused investors. Overall, these developments together paint a picture of Amazon as a resilient force in the market, capable of continuous growth and strategic adaptation, thus influencing its stock price positively in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May 2025, UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, JMP Securities rated Amazon as market outperform with a hold action. Also on that Tuesday, Tigris Financial gave Amazon a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated Amazon with a hold grade and a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock an overall neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $214.69 and $202.66. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, the volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by approximately 0.694%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal observed 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal recorded 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 32 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal noted 38 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal recorded 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking through this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, Amazon's support is just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is breached, the following support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock typically trades with good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is seen as low. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.41, which is 2.56%, between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.98%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's briefly review some key fundamental data. Firstly, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates of $1.34. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $216.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June 2025, Jeffrey Bezos conducted an insider sale of 24,410 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider purchase of 3,827 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted another insider purchase of 3,520 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider sale of 6,743 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 67.732. Overall, insiders purchased 243,235 shares and sold 1,313,566 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $207.80, which represents a decline of 3.84%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, indicating a lower risk profile. Additionally, there's a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we anticipate Amazon to open lower by $1.19, starting at $214.91. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly encourage you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to show your support by liking and subscribing. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.